I hope you all are fine. Once again, I am Kavita Krishnani from Newer Global Kids. Now, let's start with prayer. Okay, join your hands, close your eyes. Now, start. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Relax. Open your eyes. Children, yesterday what did in class work? हमने कल क्लास वर्क में क्या किया था? With things कौन सा रूम लिया था हमने? बेडरूम. Correct children. Which room? Bedroom. With things used in a bedroom, हम bedroom में क्या क्या यूज करते हैं? Air conditioner, then pillow and blanket, bed and curtain. Okay, so what are we doing today? Today are doing page number. Today's class work is page number 7 in worksheet and homework page number 9 in worksheet. And what are we doing today? Today are doing bathroom things. Here is the bathroom. We take bath here to keep ourselves clean and healthy. We bath in a bathroom. We think is this bathtub. What is this? Bathtub. And what is this? It's bath mat. This is a bath mat. And then what is this? It's shower. What is this? Shower. And then what is this? हम वाइप किससे करते हैं बॉडी को? टॉवेल. किससे वाइप करते हैं? टॉवेल. Then what is this? This is a mirror. What is this? Mirror. हम बॉडी क्लीन किससे करते हैं? शॉप. ओके. देन हम वाटर किसमें फिल करते हैं? इज अ बकेट. देन व्हाट इज दिस? मग. अगेन रिपीट. bathtub with this used in a bathroom. Bathtub, bath mat, shower, towel, bucket, mug, soap and mirror. Okay. Children, what yesterday what did in class work? Bedroom things. With things used in a bedroom. Repeat again. Fan, cupboard, curtain, window, air conditioner means AC, lamp, side table, rug, bed, pillow and quilt. Okay. Now children, today I will take bathroom things. With things, bathroom things. हमारे घर में बाथरूम होता है. हम कौन कौन सी चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं उसमें? वी टेक बाथ इन अ बाथरूम. ओके. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ वॉश बेसिन. दिस इज अ वॉश बेसिन. देन व्हाट इज दिस? मिरर. व्हाट इज दिस? मिरर. एंड व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ hand wash. This is a hand wash. And what is this? आपको बाथटब में नहाने की मजा आती है? Yes, very good. What is this? This is a bathtub. Then shower. What is this? Shower. And what is this? This is a tap. जिसमें से पानी आता है. And what is this? Soap. What is this? This is a towel. This is a towel. Then what is this? Bath mat. This is a bath mat. And what is this? This is a toilet. This is a toilet. And what is this? Bucket. What is this? Bucket. And what is this? This is a mug. Again, repeat. Mirror, wash basin, hand wash, toilet, bucket, mug, tap, towel, soap, shower, bathtub and bath mat. Now children, now tell me which things used in a bathroom. Do fast. Now tell me which things used in a bathroom. Here is the bathroom. We take bath here to keep ourselves clean and healthy. Clean and healthy रहने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? Every day take a bath. Okay. Mirror, hand wash, wash basin, bucket, mug, shampoo, soap, towel. Okay. Wash basin, bathtub, bath mat. Okay. Now children, today's classwork is page number 7 in worksheet. First I have to write classwork and then mention date. It is important to stay clean. यह हमारे लिए खास जरूरी है हमारा clean रहना. In order to stay healthy, let's keep inside Radhe's bathroom and color the things found there. हमें बाथरूम थिंग्स में कलर करना है. This is the curtain. Now, what is this? This is a toilet. Now, children, what is this? This is a bathtub. Now, what is this? Bath mat. Now what is this? This is a wash basin. What is this? This is a mirror. This is a towel. Now children, our classwork is done. Now children, our homework page number 9 in worksheet. First I have to write HW and mention date. Can you help Soham identify things that do not belong to the bathroom by ticking them? जो चीज़ हम बाथरूम में यूज़ नहीं करते हैं उसमें आपको टिक करना है. ओके. बकेट यूज इन अ बाथरूम. ये सो वी डू नॉट हैव टिक. देन बेड. नो, वी यूज बेड इन अ बेडरूम. सो आई विल टिक इन अ बेड. सोफा, I will we use sofa in a living room, so I will take sofa. Then toothpaste, yes, toothpaste used in a bathroom. Fridge used in a kitchen. Bathtub used in a bathroom. TV used in a bathroom? No, TV used in a living room. Again, can you help Soham identify things that do not belong to the bathroom by ticking them? जो चीज़ें हम बाथरूम में यूज़ नहीं करते हैं उस पे ही टिक करना है. ओके. Bed used in a bathroom? No, then tick them. Sofa used in a bathroom? No, then tick them. Fridge used in a bathroom? No, fridge used in a kitchen. Bathtub used in a bathroom? Yes. TV used in a bathroom? No, then tick them. Now children, our homework page is done. Thank you children.